So for this part, what we have is they have given us an implicit function. And the first step is to actually find out the derivative expression and show that it comes to be 5y minus 2x over 2y minus 5x. So first thing is that when you differentiate the implicit one, we follow the standard procedure of differentiating both the sides. So minus 5xy plus y squared equals to derivative of 7 as well. So derivative of 7 is 0. Now derivative of x squared is 2x. And now here on this minus 5xy, we apply product rule. So minus 5 times x times derivative of y. So x times derivative of y is nothing but dy by dx plus y times derivative of x, which is 1, plus derivative of y squared will be 2y times dy by dx equals to 0. This is just a quick recap of the derivative of y to the power n is n y to the power n minus 1 times dy by dx. When you're differentiating y with respect to x, that's how we do it. Now after this, what we have is if you open the bracket, we get 2x minus 5x times dy by dx minus 5y plus 2y dy by dx. Our next step is to collect the dy by dx terms one side and non-dy by dx terms other side. So take 2x and 5y other side, and then take dy by dx common. So dy by dx, if I take common, I get 2y minus 5x equals to 5y minus 2x. Because this comes this other side, it becomes negative 2x, other side 5y. So this, what we get is 2y, 5y minus 2x. So your dy by dx will be 5y minus 2x over 2y minus 5x. That's what we wanted to prove. That's the first step. Next step is to find out the equation of normal when x is 6 and y is 1. So firstly, sometimes they give this particular thing as they will give you x coordinate and they will ask you to find y using this. So it becomes like a quadratic equation just for maybe a couple of marks. So just be careful in that case. Here, luckily, they have given 6 and 1 as the coordinate. So just plug in the x coordinate is 6 and y is 1. So it'll be 5 times 1 minus 2 times 6 over 2 times 1 minus 5 times 6. So what we get is this is 5 minus 12 over 2 minus 30. So 5 minus 12 is, let's say, negative 7 over 2 minus 30 is negative 28, which comes out to be 1 over 4. So the slope of tangent is 1 over 4, but they're expecting us to find slope of normal. The slope of normal is going to be, slope of normal is 1/4, negative reciprocal of 1/4, which is nothing but negative 4. So slope of normal here will become negative 4. Now we just do the normal procedure of finding the equation as y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. So it'll be y minus 1 equals to m is negative 4, x minus x1. And if you take x1, that's nothing but 6. So y minus 1 equals to negative 4x plus 24. Bring it here. So y plus 4x equals to 25. So that's your equation of normal. Now, the last subpart is find out the distance between 2 points where on the curve where the tangents are parallel to y equals to x. So it's like, let's say there's a curve. Okay, so here you have one tangent, second tangent is here, and these both the tangents are parallel to y equals to x. So you have to find out what's the distance between these two coordinates. So once again, we're going to use the basic concept of slopes. Like when you have slopes of lines, that the two parallel lines have the same slope. So here the slope of line is 1. So slope of these tangents also is 1. And that becomes our tool to find out the coordinate. So if slope of tangent is this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to equate them 5y minus 2x over 2y minus 5x equals to 1. Because I want to find out where is the slope 1. So by doing this, what we get is 5y minus 2x equals to negative 2y plus 5x. And if you collect the y terms together, it'll be 7y equals to 7x. That gives me y equals to x. Still, this is now the coordinate. It gives us a relation between y equals to x. So y equals to x, now we're going to put here. So when I put y equals to x, what we get is x squared minus 5y squared plus, this will be y
But I
squared.
think there's a mistake.
So 5y minus 2x, when I do this multiplication here, this will be basically uh, 2y minus 5x. So this becomes 3y, this is 3y, and equals to negative 3x then. So we get y is equals to negative x. So y equals to negative x. Now if I substitute here, so let's say y equals to, in place of y, if I put negative x, we get x squared minus 5 times x times negative x plus x squared equals to 7. Because if I square negative x, that will be 7. So x squared plus 5x squared plus x squared equals to 7. So we get 7x squared equals to 7, and we get x squared is 1. So we get the x coordinate as 1. So x is plus or minus 1 we get. And so if I plug x equals to plus or minus 1 in this, we get the y coordinate, and we can use distance formula to find out the actual distance between them.